Welcome to video lecture series on subject serving of unit number 6 Modern Serving Techniques. Our topic is Introduction, Segment and Application of Global Positioning System. As we learned in previous lecture, total station, remote sensing, application of remote sensing, geographical information system. So today we learn the global positioning system is the satellite-based navigation and serving system for determining or precise position and time using radio signal from the satellite in real time or a post-processing mode. GPS is being used all over the world for numerous navigational and positioning applications, including navigation or land, in air or over the sea, determining the precise coordinate of important geographical information system and essential input of mapping and geographical information system along with the use of precise cadastral surveys, vehicle guidance in city and the highway using GPS and GIS integrated system, earthquake and landslide monitoring, etc. In India, GPS is also used for the numerous applications diverse field like aircraft and ship navigation, surveying, geodetic control networks, crucial crustal deformation studies, cadastral survey, then creation of GIS database, then time service, etc. by various organizations. In global system of determining position of Earth surface by which by the use of satellite and orbiting above the Earth. The first generation of satellite system used in serving was US Navy, that is a transit satellite operating on the Doppler principle. It is principle that is a Doppler principle. It can be operated. In this system, receiver located on the ground station measured by the changes in frequency of radio signal transmitted from the satellite orbiting in polar orbits or in altitudes of about 107 kilometers. In 1973, US Department of Defense began a concept validations program to investigate the valuability of proposed new system to replace transit, and Navstar GPS was born, that is a navigational satellite timing and ranging global position system. The first satellite was launched in 1978. This system is an weather radio navigation system which provides three-dimensional positional information anywhere on the globe of 24 hours per day from any position. It provides this information faster, more accurately, and at a lower cost than transit and has surpassed all previous long-range navigational system. Although this was designed by a navigational system, GPS is having a tremendous impact on surveying and being used more and more as means of determining the position in the surveying. GPS is military navigation system and civilian users are tolerated. GPS is a major navigation technology that has been modified to provide surveying accuracy without downgrading its navigation capability and without the needs for elaborate data processing and long observation period. Description about this system. There are currently 24 satellites in 6 orbital planes. In each plane, it is a 4 at a distance of 20,200 km above the Earth's surface. The satellite have 12-hour orbit periods and circular orbit at 55 degree east to equatorial plane and space at 60 degree apart. The system has worked continuously since 1991 and capable of centimeter accuracy. There is a 30 second fixed resolution which is updated every 6.5 seconds. There are two types of receiver, single frequency receiver and dual frequency receiver. That is, a dual frequency is faster and more accurate than single frequency receiver. The Navstar GPS, that is Global Positioning System program, was joint service effort directed by United States Department of Defense. Navstar GPS is a space-based radio positioning system nominally consisting of a 24 satellite constellation that provide navigational and timing information to military and civilian users worldwide. In addition to the satellite, the system consists of worldwide satellite control networks and GPS receiver units that acquire the satellite signal and translate them into a position information. Originally, as a primarily a satellite system, GPS was found to have a wide variety of civilian applications, many of them never conceived by a original system designer. So GPS has a three segment, that is space segment, control segment and the user segment. In space segment, it is important segment. It comprises the orbiting GPS satellites or space vehicles. In GPS, the GPS design originally called for 24 space vehicle, 8 each in 3 circular orbit planes. However, it is modified to a fixed plane with a 4 satellite each. The orbital plane were centered on Earth, and these planes are not rotating with respect to the distinct star. These orbits are arranged in such a way that at least 6 satellites always remain within the line of sight from the almost everywhere on the surface of the Earth. Satellites are orbiting at an altitudes of 20,200 kilometers, approximately with the orbital radius of 26,600 kilometers. Then use control segment. The main function of the control segment is synchronization of a highly accurate clock in the satellite, the determination of satellite orbits, and the injection of such a data into the satellite for a retransmission of broadcast im- the track of satellite is well decided and the flight path of the satellites are tracked by US Air Force monitors the satellite and in monitorize the satellite operated by the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, that is NGA. The tracking information is sent to the Air Force Space Command Master Control Station with the further operated by the two-dimensional space operation squadron of United States Air Force. So these are the information related to the control segment. Then another is user segment. This segment, which GPS receiver are made of an antenna turned into a frequency transmitted by a satellite receiver, processor and high stable clock. It also provides a location and space information of display user. The number of channels signify how many satellite the receiver can be monitor satellite. So you can see here the three segment, space control and user segment. Okay, so this is the space control and user segment. Then this is the importance roles. What are the important roles of this segment? Is space segment is transmit the code carrier phase navigational message into the input navigational message to the output, that is a P type the code, and the control segment it produce the GPS time, it predict the it manage the space vehicle, and user segment it gives the navigational solution, it also gives the serving solution. So these are the important roles of the then application, it is used for the strengthening, then it is connecting the remote islands, mainland geodetic control networks. Also it can be used for the earth rotation, polar motion studies, estimating the gravity antennas, or marine geodesy, positioning of ocean station, survey control, topographical and conditional survey, ground control, photogrammetrical control, survey mapping, offshore positionings, shipping offshore platform, and finishing boats. So these are the some uses. Then it is also used for the vertical control networks and also the earthquake monitorization. It can be also used. So thank you for the watching this video. Thank you.